Good morning, dear students. Myself is Deepti from DIPS Karolbagh. In today's lecture, we are going to read about Geography, Chapter 5, Agriculture and an Introduction. Agriculture. What is an agriculture? Agriculture is the one of the most ancient activity of human beings. It is art and science of producing plants from the soil. Agriculture provide food, shelter and cloth to human beings. The early men settled in communities after started cultivating land and produce crops. Some of the agricultural products cannot be consumed directly, thus they have to be processed. Processing involves various type of economic activities. So we can classify these economic activities into following three categories. One is primary, second is secondary, and third is the territorial. Primary activities. Primary activities involves the extraction and the production of the resources provided by the nature. Agriculture, fishing, gathering, lumbering, and mining are some of the primary activities. So primary activities basically are the activities which is the basic activities from where we get the resources. That is known as primary activities. Each and every industry have its primary source. The primary source from where we get the primary things for the industries to set up an industry. So that primary the source from where we get these primary things is the raw materials are known as the primary sectors or primary activities. Next is the secondary activities. Secondary activities involve the processing of product into a primary activity of the primary activities. Baking of bread, making of cloth, processing of vegetable food, and some of the secondary activities. Secondary activities is the how the process when we process the thing and change into something else, that is known as um, secondary activities. In secondary activities we change the look or change the thing into a new thing, and it is useful, more useful than the other. So that sector is known, that activity is known as secondary activity. Whereas the third one is the territorial activities. These activities are the help the primary and secondary activities to provide their services, like transport is there, banking is there, and insurance are there. These factors in these are the territory activities which help to develop the primary activities as well as the secondary activities. Next is the agriculture. Agriculture, the primary activity, primary economic activity. So, agriculture is a primary economic activity which involves raising of crops, rearing of livestock. Agriculture is combination of two things: raising of crops as well as rearing of livestock. Livestock means like rearing of animals, cow, buffalo, sheep for dairy products as well as meat, even though fish, all these things. So these are the livestocks. About half of the total population of the world is directly or indirectly engaged in the agricultural activities. Although India is progressing in the manufacturing and services industries, more than 60% of the total population depend on agriculture. So that is why India is known as the agricultural country. Why? Because more than 50% people population is depending on the agriculture and relate to not on the agriculture, but also they are they are depending on the activities which relate to the agriculture, like selling of seeds, selling of fertilizers, even sale of grains. So such things are there which we are directly or indirectly we are related to the agriculture. So 760 more than 65% population depend on the agriculture. A number of so agriculture, it's agriculture, to do agriculture some factors are there which influence the agriculture. Those are the geographical, cultural and economic factors. jointly responsible for growing and development of agriculture in any part of the world. It depends largely on the environment condition. The activity of agriculture involved plugging of land, sowing of seed, irrigation of field as irrigation in the field appropriate and harvesting of the crop. So agriculture involves all these things. And the method of farming is undergone several changes with the growth and development of science and technology. Nowadays, the agriculture is developing. A lot of development has been done in the agriculture field also. Now we are using machines for do all the work of the in the fields as well, from plugging to harvesting of the crops. Even though we are nowadays we are keep the crops in the storage room to for a long period of time, that or whenever we need it we can use it. So all these things develop, all these things are due to the development in the technology and science in the agriculture. The geographical factor helpful in the agriculture are suitable land, mostly leveled, and land of preferred, fertile soil and proper climatic conditions. The economic factors includes the availability of enough and cheap worker, adequate transport facility for sending goods, a suitable market and storage, availability of farm inputs such as seed, fertilizers, and machineries. So, economic, geographical filter factors we are aware कि there should be a land and there should be the proper way of climatic condition should be there, and irrigation should be there, whereas the economic activities factors are there. So the main thing is that we need workers. So workers should, cheap labor should be available, cheap and skilled labor should be available. uh, then good quality of seeding should be there, then storage facilities available should be there, and fertilizers. All these things are required for the economic factors required for the growth of the agriculture. Agriculture or farming can be developed as an industry which involves input operation and outputs. The main inputs can be seeds. The important operations involves are plugging, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. The outputs from the system of the rising crops are livestock, includes crop, food for and raw material, wool, dairy products, meat, and poultry products. So these are the inputs means what we put inside the agriculture. We put seeds are there, and machineries are there, water irrigation is there, which put our we put it, and output is the we get the grain, and from the livestock we get the milk products and meat as etc. All these things are the input. It is as similar as an industry. Agriculture is also known as an industry because it needs input as well as there as output also. In next lecture we are going to read about the types of farming. Thank you very much.